Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Renita Young here to take you through today's market action. So let's take a look at where markets closed to end Monday. The small cap Russell 2000 was the only major U.S. index to end in the green, up more than 1%. The Nasdaq 100, however, fell by around 1% today, while the S&P 500 and the Dow also closed lower. Now, taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the day, 4 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors ended higher, with real estate up by the most, followed by healthcare and industrials. To the downside, communication services was the biggest loser, with tech and materials right behind. Looking at some stocks on the move, Uber hit new 52-week highs today after its highly anticipated inclusion into the S&P 500 became official. Oppenheimer raised its price target on the stock to $75 from $65 a share and maintained an outperform rating. Uber shares closed up more than 2% today. Over to Hawaiian Airlines, which soared nearly 200% during the session on news that Alaska Airlines will acquire the company in a deal worth $1.9 billion. Alaska Airlines closed down around 14% on the news, and the combined company will be based in Seattle under the leadership of Alaska Airlines' current CEO, and the deal is expected to close within the next 12 to 18 months. And lastly, Spotify hit a new 52-week high after announcing 1,500 layoffs, which will reduce the workforce by around 17%. It's Spotify's third round of significant layoffs this year and part of a restructuring plan to accelerate the company's profitability push. Shares closed up more than 7%. Let's look at what to watch for tomorrow. When it comes to data, we have PMI Composite, ISM Services, and JOLTS. Then on the earnings calendar, pre-market, we'll have NEO and AutoZone report. And then post-market, we'll hear from Toll Brothers and MongoDB after the closing bell. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.